Hello everyone, my name is Sushin Gigi, and today I want to show you how I think and plan for a flow before building it. So let's see the use case today. So the scenario is that it's a after school education or profit organization, and in this organization they provide multiple programs, and parents can enroll their children into these programs. So their all the children might be enrolled into the programs and their data might be with them. So when the parent is entering their name and the email ID of theirs, they want to display all the children's data in front of the parent. So this is the use case. This could have been done with Experience Cloud, but currently, as they don't want to have more expenses, they asked me to have a guest form where they can see all these things. So let's go ahead and see the next one. So how my thought process goes. So first I will think, what is the input? So in this case, the input is parent's name and the email ID. So from which object does it belong to? It belongs to the contact object. So we need a screen element where the email ID and the parent's name can be entered. Next, I think about what is the output. So in our case, the output is all children data, that is all the children data which is associated with the parent, and that has also to be a screen element, and it has to be displayed as a data table, because right now it is easier to be displayed as a data table, as Flow has the data table option. And where does this data come from? It comes from contacts. Now I'll think how these two are related. So both are in contact, and in current situation, as they are using the NPSP app, it is related using the another object called relationship, where they can enter what is a relationship between these two contacts. So how are these related? How these two data are related? Using the relationship object. So in the relationship object, we have a place where you can enter the contact and the related contact, where you can enter the parent or the child and what type of relationship they are having. Say for example, son or daughter, or if you are entering on the child side, you can say that person is the mother or father or things like that. So that's how these are related. So first of all, by step, if you see, first is a screen element, as we said. So this is a screen flow, where the screen element where you get the parent and name email ID. Next comes the parent record ID. How do you get the parent record ID? So we get the parent record ID from the contact object using a get element. So get element will help you to get the parent record. And what are the details that you are going to compare it with? Like say for example, this is what I need to specify that it's a parent name and the email ID. Using a get element action, we also have to fetch the relationship. So using that, we have to see if the parent contact ID is there on the related contact ID or on the contact ID of the relationship object. We need to get those details, and what type of relationship it should be: father, mother, or parent if we are getting it from the contact ID, related contact ID side, and otherwise it should be son, daughter, or children. To see exactly how things work, let me show you how the in contact it works. So in this case, I have created already 3 contacts here. One is my name. I have created a daughter Gigi and then son Gigi. So in this one, you can see both the relationships. So here you can see that I created the the relationship from the contact, that is parent contact. So where I mentioned the type of relationship as son and related to contact. But let's see what I did for the other contact. In this contact, the contact was created from the daughter side. So when I created it from that side, I created the relationship as mother, because she for her that was the contact, and the related contact was my name, where I am the mother of that person. So that's why here it came mother. So whenever you're creating a relationship, it automatically comes on the other side. So here you can see the relationship is there. So I don't have to create it 2 times. It comes automatically on the other contact, but the type can remain the same. So because of that, that's the reason here I have mentioned that I have to find out the father, mother, parents, or son, or daughter, or the child, that option. Next comes the loop. So why we need a loop? Because there is multiple records in it. So there can be only one child, that's an option, but there can be multiple children. If that is the case, we have to use a loop to get all the child record contact ID. And in this case, I am assigning it to a text variable, text collection variable, and so that I can get the contact record. So using a loop element, I am getting all the text, all the record IDs. Once I have all the record IDs of the children, I use a get element again to get all the contact records of each children. So using that, I get all the children records. After that, I use a screen element to display the data table. So let's go ahead and see how I did everything in the flow, and next video I will show you how to do that in a flow. So let's see how it works. So here I am entering the email ID and the names. So I have entered that. When I click next, you can see that the name of the children associated with my name, that is where the relationship is there, both the records has come displayed here. So this is what I wanted to share with you, how my thought process works when I am designing a flow. So hope this helps you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to clarify. And next video, next week or so, I will be explaining how I did it in the flow. Thank you. Have a good day.